Hello there, hope you're all alright. Today I'm going to tell you the story about the only football club in Thailand that plays in the Thai leagues, where the supporters get a say on team formation and tactics. It's an incredible story. The club's named Futera United. Stick with it because at the end there's a sting in the tail and a happy ending. There's more than one happy ending in Thailand. So sit back and see what you think of this remarkable story. Futera is a company that is a pioneer in the trading card industry. When you look at the portfolio of some of the clubs that they represent making official merchandise for them under licence, you can see that they've got a real background. Futera United is under the wing of the Futera creative director Mark Watson, who built a team in Bangkok. Futera first got involved in Thai football back in 2013 when they joined forces with existing club Sika FC to become Futera Sika. I headed out to a game in their inaugural season against Luktapfa Patamtani just to see what they were all about. Right, a bit of self-indulgence today. I've been around my favourite hobby, going and looking at a lot of football grounds. And I'm at a third division game at the moment, where I thought I'd seen everything in football until tonight. The team I'm watching, they're a feeder side for the Air Force team, but they're playing a team called Futera Sika. Sika are an online football team. People subscribe and they vote on what decisions they want to happen during the game. I'll show you in a second or two when I can sort out what's going on with the camera, just how it works, because I've been allowed up to the press area. I've seriously never seen anything like it before. Basically, people subscribe online. They're watching the game live, they're saying what they want to happen on the pitch as it happens. And the guy I'm going to show you shortly who I'm being introduced to, Mark Watson, he walkie-talkies down to the manager who then implements it. And to make it even more complicated, the manager's Thai, only speaks a little bit of English, so he's got an interpreter. So if anything gets lost in translation, we could be in for a bit of fun and games. As it goes, they're playing all right. I mean, it's a third division club. There's 6 third divisions in Thailand, split into regional locations. As you can hear, there's quite an atmosphere here today, because I think all the Air Force are forced to come and cheer the team on. They're making a right old day. Right, here we are. As you can see, the match is being filmed by the Futera media guys. Move along here, where Mark is taking in everything that's happening from the online subscribers. There's his little walkie-talkie next to it that he gets down to the manager. And we've got full commentary, English and Thai commentators along here. Like I say, I thought I'd seen everything in football until this evening, but not a bad stadium either, as you can see. I'm up in the main stand here.
Luktapfa Patamtani FC นะครับ เปิดบ้านต้อนรับการมาเยือนของซิกเกอร์Futera FC นะครับ วันนี้
After my visit, the club continued to flourish, ending up 4th in their first season in Thai League football. However, the experiment in pro football ended after just one season, as Sika went alone, finished the next season bottom of the table. Here's a quick timeline of what happened to the club thereafter. A rebirth occurred in 2021 as Futera United were formed. A a Web3 football club. In layman's terms, Web3 is an internet where people, rather than big companies, control their own information, money and online stuff. Using a similar approach as before, members became NFT holders, which basically gave them a token which enables them to vote on things such as kits, where the club should play, tactics, offer advice, really feeling empowered as a part of a football club. The side had a very creditable result in the FA Cup and then won the Division 4 title in the Bangkok Premier League. A great way for all of you to keep in touch with what's happening in Thai football, including the fortunes of Futera United, is to listen weekly to a Thai football podcast. The 2024 season saw the club get permission to use KMITL Stadium in Lakrabang and enter the Thai Semi-Pro League. Futera also introduced a walking football side, so all of the community were included. Futera also have a flourishing academy. I caught up before a game in the Semi-Pro League of 2024 with Mark Watson. And today's game, an intriguing battle. It sees second place Futera United, who was featured heavily on last week's show, and well worth a listen, I recommend that. And they're up against Dome FC. Both former members of the Thai League, been missing for quite some time, desperate to go back up to the national setup. This is the first time in this campaign that Futera are using designated home ground. They've played other games at other stadiums so far. They've been awarded a 2-0 win for a walkover against EGY, and they've drawn their other two games, so unbeaten. I'm going to try and grab an interview with Mark Watson at some point, the owner of Futera, and see who else is around. It'd be interesting to see the crowd. They got 450 the last time when they were playing nearer their academy page.
Doing Rob, it's been 10 years, mate, since I last saw you at a game.
Yeah, that's right. Incredible. Time flies.
Yeah, indeed.
Big hopes for this afternoon.
Yeah, I'm nervous about today. Like, Dome are classically the best amateur team in the country, and now they've gone into the semi-pros against us. We've played them once before in our history. We played them in the TA quarterfinals, 1-1, and then lost on penalties. So there's a little bit of needle there. Today's an important game for us. We want to sort of right that wrong.
Not half. I've done some research, believe it or not, for this, and I see that you played my local club, Seasicket United, in the Cup a couple of years ago.
Did, yeah. So 2022, I went down there as well.
Great stuff, and you've got the regular holders sending in your advice, have you, this afternoon?
Yeah, biggest votes probably ever for this game. So we're playing a centre back up front after looking at training and seeing that he can finish basically. So that's great. We've got a left winger that hasn't played for a while. We started today, and we've got the centre midfielder now playing at centre back as well. So it sounds a bit crazy, but there is method to the madness.
It's good to have fans involved, as you said in your interview last week.
Yeah, it's so important to the club. It's so important for us to. It's like a sort of. It feels like a micro Premier League club. If we lose today, I find out about it straight away online. Like, we know that if we've made mistakes, etc., we get sort of stick from it, which all adds to the fun of it. So yeah, no, it's fingers crossed, mate. Today, this is a big one for us.
No,
100%.
Great stuff, Matt. All the best for today. Cheers.
Nice to see you again.
Full time here at KMITL in Lakrabang. Final score: Futera United 1, Dome FC 4. In the end, score looks like an easy game, but for at least an hour, Futera well in it. Fitness counting in the end. Both sides will be thoroughly exhausted at the end of this encounter. Great entertainment for the healthy crowd. And don't look favourites on this showing for promotion to T3. Futera can hold their heads up. Many thanks to Mark and gang. What a lovely welcome. I recommend a visit to a Futera home game. Well, that's all for today. Final score: Futera 1, Dome 4. A third place finish was achieved in 2024. The club got to work immediately, got a good sponsor on board, and introduced some fantastic playing shirts for the 2025 season, including the famous elephant top. The club recruited well in an enlarged division, but once again, third place was the best that they could do. However, there is a happy ending to relate with breaking news. Yeah, I was nearly ready to put this video out some weeks ago, but I heard a whisper that Thai League 3 were looking to expand its divisions for the 25-26 season. I got in touch with Futera. I didn't hear anything for quite some time, and then out of nowhere, Friday the 8th of August, they broke the news. They've promoted to Thai League 3. The joy on social media was unbounded. So happy for them. So what do you reckon to that? They are different, aren't they? I think it's a great story. They haven't given up. They've used the business brains. They're doing something outside the box. A lot of traditional clubs, you know, they don't think they've got to mix with the modern world. People want different things nowadays. Not everybody, and it won't work for every club, but I think it's really good. You hear so many stories about bad owners of football clubs. Why not try a different approach? Anyway, if you have enjoyed it, please look at some more of my videos on my channel. Subscribe, tell your friends, and perhaps in the description box, along with the descriptions for all this video, click on the link to buy my book so you can discover how I got on travelling around Thailand and Laos with my Thai family. So until next time, take care wherever you are in the world. Be nice to others. See you later.